Yo guys, today I'm going to replace my bar tape and I'm inviting you to join me. We'll be replacing the old bar tape in this monster cross because I accidentally destroyed one side. So we will start by replacing the left bar tape. Alright? I'm gonna show you quickly what are the things we're going to use in this video. So we'll be using electrical tape, a hex wrench, a bar tape, and scissors. I'll be explaining it on the way what are you going to do with this. So as you can see here, I'm removing the electrical tape. The electrical tape is what I use to lock this bar tape in place and prevent it from unwinding itself. I'm not gonna tell you what brand the bar tape will be using because it's nothing really special. It's one of the cheapest bar tapes you can get. So yeah, we're just focusing on cheap things today, okay? Well, because I am focusing on the functionality, I'm not really digging on what brand it is. However, if I had money, if I had extra ways to earn money, I could have been buying branded components, if you know, just like any other mountain biker or any other cyclist would do. So I would have gone for Physic or Supercast if ever. But however, today we're just gonna focus on cheap things because as long as it works, it works. That's what really is important. So yeah. Here you'll see why we need an Allen wrench, but if you don't have this kind of bar end, you really don't need this Allen wrench. So with this Allen or this hex wrench kind of thing, we'll be removing this bar end. I couldn't get this in the focus. Alright, so we'll be removing this bar end. This is the one that I'm using. I prefer this one over the bar end that just needs to be pushed on without any screw. So yeah, let's quickly remove this and let's reinstall the new bar tape. Yeah, now we're going to install it outward, like pushing it outside. Okay, so this is not a tutorial video, but I'm just sharing you guys what I do when I change my bar tape, especially for those who are not used to change their bar tape. So first of all, you roll it over at the end and you start going outward diagonally. Always make sure you're having the tension placed. Okay, you should put the bar tape with tension. Hindi pwede yung bar tape lang, papatong mo lang dyan. You can't just put it on without any pressure, without any tension. Just make sure that you're not going to cut your bar tape because of the tension. You're not going to destroy your bar tape. So yeah, continue putting tension, normal tension onto the bar tape and work your way upwards until you complete your way up to the shifter and to the palm rest. Never forget to add your bar end plug to make sure that your work won't be in vain.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy
So as
your
you can see,
life.
we are actually going near to an end of the bar tape. This is where the scissor comes in. We need to configure or figure out where we're going to trim the bar tape, and let's redo that part again because tension has lost. We lost the tension, but yeah, it's just easy to do so. So we will trim it once again just to make sure it's perfectly fit or snugly fit to it. And now we're going to use an electrical tape to lock this bar tape in position, so that would last long. We don't need to worry about the bar tape undoing itself. So yeah, let's get to it.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that, I like to play fast.
So now we're going to do the right side. As you can see, all the damage was actually here. It's the one severely damaged. Just because my bike fell down, it looks like I went into an accident, but I didn't. So yeah, let's get to it.
And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Thank you for joining me in this video, and we have already completed this bar tape replacement, and hopefully be able to join me another journey on my maintenance with this bike. Alright, thanks for watching.